There are easier ways to feed ourselves, but easier isn't always richer or better. The grocery store is full of shortcuts. Everything is faster now. But somehow, I still find myself baking bread, mixing cookie dough, making crackers, preparing salads, one bowl at a time. Not because I have to, because somewhere along the way, I discovered homemade things feed more than hunger. I like to think of homemade in the kitchen as time you can taste. Nothing homemade is instant. It asks for patience, waiting for dough to rise, waiting for cookies to bake, waiting for bread to cool before slicing. That waiting used to feel like forever. Now, I think it teaches something our busy lives desperately need. Some good things simply refuse to be rushed. Here's the truth. Ordinary can become beautiful. Most homemade food isn't fancy. It's ordinary. A loaf of bread, a bowl of salad, a batch of crackers, a plate of cookies. But ordinary things prepared with care have a quiet beauty, not because they are perfect, because they are made with intention. There are many people who spend a lot of time and intention presenting the dishes they make. But presentation isn't all. It's the thought of doing it that matters. It starts with the thought. If you want atmosphere, try something homemade. Homemade food changes more than the menu. It changes the atmosphere, the smell of bread baking, cookies cooling on a rack, fresh herbs on the counter, a simple meal waiting to be shared. These are the small details that quietly tell us, hey, you are home. And you know what? It doesn't have to be complicated. Sometimes people imagine homemade living has to look like a magazine. It doesn't. Some days, homemade means fresh bread. Other days, it means washing lettuce or making crackers from ingredients already in the cupboard. It's not about perfection. It's about participation. Every time we knead bread, stir cookie dough, wash fresh greens, or slice vegetables for a simple salad, we are taking part in something larger than preparing food. We are creating a moment that did not exist before. A meal someone will remember. A conversation that happens because people gathered around the table. A child who learns what homemade feels like. A neighbor who realizes someone was thinking of them. A friend who receives a loaf of bread and with it, a quiet message. You matter enough for me to spend my time on you. Homemade food has a way of saying things words sometimes cannot. Whether we keep it, share it, or give it away, we have participated in making the world a little more nourishing than we found it. Here's why I still believe in it. I've lived long enough to see many things become disposable. Meals, conversations, time together, even attention. Homemade quietly pushes back. It reminds us that some things are still worth making, still worth waiting for, and still worth sharing. Maybe homemade isn't really about food. Maybe it's about the kind of life we want to build and live. There are easier ways to feed ourselves, more than you can count. But easier isn't always richer or more abundant, because every homemade meal is more than something to eat. It's a way of participating or doing your share, making your contribution to the life we are building. One loaf, one cookie, one salad, one shared table at a time.